Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at a Homelite 707G. It's got a 36-inch bar and chain. It's got a roller nose. This was made in 1961. 5.8 cubic inch. Weighs 21.3 pounds, the power head only. And this was capable of running up to a 50-inch bar. I just love these big old saws like this. This one just big and ugly and loud. That chain's in just like, almost new condition. It is used, but very good. And it's got a very good roller nose tip there. And that's the gear drive. There's the gearbox. And I'm going to turn around so I can get into look at the other side. They're just big and ugly and loud. We'll go outside here in a little bit and run it. I'll fire it up for you in here. It does run good. Let's go outside now and see if we can get some chips flying in that Doug fir.